Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. This indicator will give you accuracy of around 95%. I will discuss this indicator, and but before that I have need to show you something very interesting. Okay, here you can see this is my MT4 system, the most accurate system, and this is my live trades. Okay, and here you can see you got the signal here. You can see here you got the signal. After getting the signal, I place my order. Okay, and you can see live here. Okay, and here you can see actually the band indicator is free of cost, available in internet. Okay, and you can find it, but this are the most important indicator you can never find in internet. Okay, this is my indicator. I made it, and this indicator will give you accuracy around 100% accuracy. Let me show you how. Here you can see this is the strongly buy area, because here you can see here when these lines are blue one, that means there's a strong buy area. Okay, so when you got the buy area and you got the signal here, that means you will definitely will get 100% accuracy. Let me show you some examples. Here you can see this is example. Okay, and you need to close your trade at this point, or you can close your at this point. Okay, that will be very good profit. Okay, let me show you. Actually there are some lines here, you can see. Okay, when the lines cross, you will get the signal. Okay, here you can see below lines, here you cross the and you got the signal here. Okay, let me show you some more example how the signals will come. Okay, here you got any signal, let me show you. You got signal here, you got the signal. Okay, you got the signal, and after that you can see you got some good profit here. Okay, that is awesome profit, and you can book your profit here. Okay, that was actually very good profit. Okay, but if there are a lot of opportunities, let me show you. When you got the signal, you can catch this sell signal. Okay, you can catch this signal and you can book small profits here. You can see you can book your small profits here. Until you got the buy signal, you do not need to worry about anything. Okay, buy trade, you can see got the profits. Sell trade, book profit. Okay, and buy trade, you can close your trade and you can go for another buy trade from this point, and you can close your trade here. After that, go to the sell position and you can close your trade here. Okay, now this is your buy trade, and I will book my profit here. Then again, when the market will go down, I will open my position again. Okay, and it will give you some awesome profit. Okay, this is a live demo because the mostly people demand for a live example, so I am showing you a live example. Okay, and you will love it. Let me show you some example, because when this is a strongly buy area, you can follow only buy signal, you will definitely will get 100% accuracy. Okay, when this area is red, let me show you. In the previous example, because the market is upside, so you can see market is going upside, and you are getting consistent profit. When this area is red and you got the sell signal, make sure you got the sell signal, but you got the signal here. And let me show you some strong sell conditions here. This one, this is a strongly sell condition, and you can see you got the profit here. Okay, this is strongly sell signal, you got the profit here. Okay, let me show you some more example, and this is the buy example actually. Okay, and because the market trend is upside, you can see indicator is defining that market trend is upside, and you need to not worry about the buy trades. Okay, you can see there is a live demo example live, and I will show you the results as well. When I will close my trade, then I will show you. Okay, do not worry. Just now we have to discuss this indicator. this indicator is very simple, just need to follow buy and sell signal, that's all. Okay, will give you accuracy around 95%. No need to worry anything. Okay, just need to follow buy and sell signal, and that's all. Let me show you some example here. Sell, buy, sell trade, buy trade, each and everything. Okay, and the middle line will be actually working like that as a Nadara Watson. Okay, it will work as a like as a Nadara, but it's actually not a Nadara. I'm just showing you example that the middle line will work like as a Nadara Watson envelope indicator that is available free of cost in the trading view. So how you can get my indicators? Let me show you my contact details. Okay, if you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram, or you can also contact me on my Gmail. Okay, this is my Gmail, simpleog@gmail.com. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels, and they are scammers, so that's why they make fake Telegram channels. And so you do not need to join any fake Telegram channels or any WhatsApp groups. Okay, my WhatsApp group, Telegram, and Gmail. If you need any query, or if you want to ask any query, you can ask me. Okay, there is no worry. Okay, I give you the all details, and in the next video I will show you the results of this video. Okay, this trade results I will definitely will show you in the next video. Okay, so any query, any question, you can ask me. If you need my indicator, you can contact me. Yes, my indicators are paid, not hundreds of dollars, just in few dollars you can get my indicators. Okay, any question you can ask me. For the next video, bye bye, take care.